Hey guys, welcome to Lance Fantasy Gaming. We're doing part 4 for November STL Patreon file. We're gonna be like a few more after this. But if you do enjoy the video, subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Etsy and Patreon and Discord down link below. Let me know if there's anyone that catches your eyes or certain Patreon you guys want to look at down in the comments as well. So we have looks like Mystical Forest for White Werewolf Tavern. Very good model paint as well. Not paint, prints. But I'm going to have to play the video for this because they don't have video for it. Let me see if I can make it. It's 1080p. Yeah, that's it. So we have our Druid Rider, a Doe Ingrid, so a Centaur. She looks good. Owl bear. We have like so many different. This is like a mounted owl bear, armored owl bear. For it. Owl bears are very hard to tame if you're in D&D. So satyrs, you got some satyrs that I have never used, to tell you the truth. You got Corrid sets. I think they're a type of a satyr type fae, like a smaller version of satyrs. We have some mushroom sets. That one will destroy, do a lot of poison. Some of these mushrooms are actually poisonous if you know that. Some of them are in the monster manual too. So we have a living plant. So that's kind of cool looking as well. So that'll be it for White Wolf Tavern. Looks like it. That's shown on it. But we got some bust as well. Next one is Bite the Bullet. I don't think a lot of them are going to be showing. Looks like it is going to be a Centaurs set that they're doing for it. So let's see if they have anything for it. Probably a long list of stuff. So we have Centaur, Satyr. These are all Centaurs. So fighters. If you don't have enough Centaurs, there you go. For it. Go right here. We have an armor centaur, a druid-like centaur, a bard centaur, a ranger centaur. But you know, I never have someone play as centaur. I rarely use centaur unless you're like in a certain part of the forest. They do a lot of stuff, but other than that, I don't really use them. I use a lot of monsters, but there's a lot of monster I rarely use. For it. It's ES Monster for anime figurines. So December project will have Raven. That's a good looking Raven for December. But that's for next time. We're looking for November project. So this is going to be for November. For it. I have no idea who she is. But she looks very well printed and made. It's Colin Evelyn. And we have fan for Rebecca for November's project as well. So we have. Feels like she's been like more chibified. I have not really watched Edge Runner. Just letting you know. I might read it. Otherwise, I watch it if I have a chance for it. But I also have this type of file for her as well. I think that's it for November. Mojo Post. I think is one of the Street Fighter character. Though it's one of the Wakanda female Black Panther that's going to be doing it. And also the Street Fighter one that they do, they just printed it without priming it. It's one of Street Fighter 5 character from Brazil. I know that for a fact. And you get Aquaman for this. Hybris Studio. Let's see what Hybris Studio has. So these should be already out, but I don't think I got December out yet. I got all of them that I gotta put up on the store soon to print. So Hubert Stereo did not have anything out for this month yet. I'll be out really late. We have OXO 3D. So we have Monster Musume, the Steak Girl. Yeah, definitely must get and put up on the store. We have Vermilia Gold. So you have the NSFW for this as well. So that I'm going to have to get. And we have Lucy from Edge Runner as well that we can 3D print for that. And this will be a December release. We'll see next time. Dungeons Pinup D&D. Okay, we already got all that. We want to know what the December is going to be. 3D print Hobby World. Okay. So we need new 2000. This is the new goal for, I think, I don't know how many Patreon that they want. So this is the November preview. So we have a gunslinger, a samurai girl. That's the younger version of that. Something Trino, Grand Trino, something like that. And he's like an old grandpa now. So we have that third season tier. Should be fine. And that. Okay. That'll be more for it. That looks like a good figure as anime figure as well. Let's see the next one. DM Dash Stash. What do we have for DM Stash? Post November release. There's your the Dragon Pact and your Welcome Pack, and this is your throwback. But the Falling Moon, we got all that adventure stuff. So we have a Dragon Knight, we have a Silent Ranger, we got the Bodobo Cobalt Shaman. Everyone has a different style of making their shamans. We have an Ancient Bronze Dragon, dragon form of Glanbiel, and that's her that she polymorphs into human form. So I'm guessing that dragon polymorphs into that human form as well. And there's this Cobalt Scraper. That's pretty good looking kobolds, I'd say myself. We have a Clockwork Wizard, so more of an artificial type wizard. Or she's all made out of freaking gears for it. Dragon Warlock. It's good. Trevon. Bust. Drag Knight. We have a orc, half orc. Therion the Redeemed. Victor Thine as a ranger. And that's it for that. Printed Obsession. We already did this. Just gonna skip that now. About SAR. So it looks like we have a Japanese style ladies. It looks like it. So we have some samurai, some lewd looking samurais, Ronins, and probably some mystic people and range Ronins. Pretty good looking Ronins and blind mounts. So yeah, they have NSFW version of these as well if you want to have them like nude like, so they're like samurai kind of cat ear style, Oni style, original Oni style and stuff like that as well. Some ninjas. So a lot of good stuff if you're a perp like me. So just throwing that out there for you. But I don't think that's a guy. So I'll do too much of it. Okay, Ruin Arts, very good art, figures and other stuff as well. Let's see what we got for this. For Raw, November pack is here. A lot of these are made from actual artists, and they just render it in the statue form as well. I wish I was a very good painter, but I really aren't. I'm really not good at that. Good at painting due to my hand shaking, and I don't have that mentality. And we have the skull or Velo Noches, the Day of the Dead, that already passed. So you probably could use in your the next time you guys do it, or use it for Halloween as well. This I already got from last month, so that's fine. Oh, yeah, it's November showcase. So Yeah, so they gonna bring you have you redeem those three, but this is one's due down here. So next one, that'll be it. That'll be it for part 4. I hope you guys enjoy it. Subscribe, like, and share, and let me know down in the comments below which one you guys like. Check out our Patreon, Discord, Etsy, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Take care, guys. Bye.